Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to Bling Line, everybody.
Not to be confused with the main episode, which we usually do. This Bling Line has got the same intro, but it's different content.
Yeah, we're still working on a new intro for the new year.
Still intro mafethu ayibo machita kazi sizameni nge-intro.
But okay, who'll read here? I'll tell you what the people have decided for us. Yeah.
Okay, so they've decided for us in terms of what we're gonna do.
No, they've made suggestions.
And we're gonna let them. I'm asking.
Yes, well, obviously we can let them make suggestions.
Happy,
There's nothing wrong with it. Oh my gosh.
Well done, you passed the test.
How would I fail the test?
Because if you would have like, no, we're not going to let them. I'm like, no, Talita, this show is for the people.
So you were trapping me so that I could look bad.
Testy.
Trap. Welcome to Bling Line, guys. If it's your first time here, this is a show that we read your comments from our siblings' rivalry episodes.
Yes.
And we chat about them.
100%. So, yeah, this show is basically, I mean, all our shows are for you. This one is more for you.
Yeah, this one is by you, for you.
Yes.
Fubu. For you, by you.
For us, by us, Yamaz.
Yeah, but it's for you, by you. For nisamkhumbula ufubu guys kane sebancane.
Malini bangavuki ngathi abantu bakafubu basisuyishe apha. And I'm a billionaire.
No, we didn't say the same thing. Bonabati for us, Tinasiti for you.
And what do they sue us for? Money? No, but they must sue us for our channel. Hey, give us all your followers. Because that's what we have to give.
Then they have to start making clothes again. That's wild.
Is that happening?
We'll just delete this episode and they can keep quiet.
100%. Otherwise?
Otherwise, yeah, let's get into it, bro.
Cool. I'm good too, thanks. Baby, baby.
Listening to the podcast has had a strong impact on me emotionally and personally. Oh, by the way, this is from the first episode of the year.
Yes.
Emotionally, it makes me feel understood and less alone, especially when you talk about real life struggles and family dynamics that I can relate to. It has contributed to my personal growth by helping me reflect on my behavior, communication style, and emotional reactions, encouraging me to become more mature and self-aware.
Sure.
The podcast has also influenced my relationships in a positive way because I now think more about empathy, patience, and understanding different perspectives before reacting. Wow. It gives me a sense of comfort and connection, almost like being part of a warm and honest family conversation, which is especially meaningful during stressful times. My perspective has shifted as well. I've learned that people can experience the same situation differently, which has helped me become less judgmental and more emotionally intelligent. Oh, it's a pleasure, ma'am. At the same time, the humor and natural flow of the conversations provide healthy escapism, helping me relax and unwind. Another positive impact is that my English has improved through listening, as I've learned new words, expressions, and better ways to communicate my thoughts. Overall, doesn't sound like your English needed much help.
maybe it would be nice to see what it was like before.
And this is an example of what it is now. Overall, the podcast has supported my emotional well-being, personal development, and confidence in expressing myself.
Baby.
Sana ningaphinde nihambe. Please. You created an amazing space for everyone, and you guys are helping a lot of people, including me, without noticing.
Oh, love and a hug at the end of
that. For me is just the biggest pat on the back.
Yo, it's unbelievable.
Like ever. And you've written it so well as well. It's like your thoughts are so clear about what it is that you've learned. Ingathi ububhala the whole time, the whole year, man usithi namhlanje
Taking notes.
ndifunde i-communication
And how you take all of that and put it in a paragraph is the way that you've articulated it is mind blowing.
Yeah, it's incredible.
I often wonder if I'd ever be able to articulate myself like that, you know?
Me too, yes, because it takes a lot of. First, you have to remember all of these things, but then secondly, you have to have the skill to put them in a way that doesn't sound like a rambling.
Yes.
And is kind of succinct and to the point.
Correct. Very, very. My English is very good. Improved. Yeah. Love that.
Thank you so much, Thabisa. It's such a cool way of encouraging us for the rest of this year. I really take that into consideration. Thank you.
Yeah, no, thank you so much. That's absolutely incredible. And I think, cookie terms was in healthy escapism. Because I grew up understanding but escapism in any shape or form is wrong. Or don't escape. Sit with your problems. Look at them. Sit with your challenges. Look at them square in the eye and deal with them. But I see and I understand from what is written there that there are healthy ways.
Yeah.
Sikon isn't as healthy. Like rest is healthy. You understand? But if ulalo kokoko, then it becomes a problem.
For sure.
You understand?
For sure.
Ukwenza into ethile ku-healthy, but if uyayibaxa, too much of a good thing is a bad thing. You know what I mean? So I think being able to really take it and be like, cool, this is a healthy one, and then it becomes unhealthy. So it's a good way to look at it. Because especially me, I'm such a black and white person. It's either into healthy or into healthy. So escapism to me. But I'm seeing now, actually, when done in the right doses by the right people, then they can give an environment that is okay.
Yeah, for sure.
And
that
good
is still healthy.
and helpful.
Yeah, for sure.
So, yeah, very well put. Thank you so very much for that, baby. We really, really appreciate it. And we really appreciate you. Asanda Mdlangazi uti. Oh.
Oh, no, let's not do that.
Bendinikumbula. Life was just not the same. So glad you guys are back. We are also super glad that we are back. It feels good to be back. I think we're getting into the flow of things, as you guys might have seen. Not going to say why you would have seen that we were not on the flow, but we are getting back into the flow of things.
Oh, we're about to find out.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for waiting for us. And thank you for being there as soon as we started back up again. We really appreciate it.
Yeah. Nathi besinikhumbula.
Well, that's on the arm, boy. I can't get over the arm, bro. Yeah, guys, tell him to go on the flexella. Off topic. Go on the flexella. Tell them what? What? Daddy, what?
I'm so stressed. Yes, when you think I'm namhlanje, and I was like, Zuka's gonna say something about my arm.
But there's no.
Then I was like, it's Zinkulu. Then I was looking at myself in the mirror and I was like, it's Zinkulu's arms.
But bufuna no cooking.
But for the definition.
Okay, it's fine. Look, so parking season idlulile. The cutting season go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Izolo, I was shooting an audition.
Okay.
An audition.
Okay.
Self-tapes at home.
Yeah.
And I had to, in the scene, this lady has a pew-pew. And
okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Is that what you're avoiding saying? Okay, so umchizo.
And the scene is long. It's like 4 minutes. It's like 4 pages long. And usually 4 pages is like 4 minutes. And she's holding the thing the whole time, right? So afterwards, when I was done, then I was watching it, obviously. I went to go borrow a toy pew-pew from a neighbor.
What? I got scared there for a second. How do I know for pew-pew endala enemeta erusileyo? From people. Hey, you know, people are so weird, bro.
I'm being gone. Hi, bengicela uboleka la piu yakhe indala enemet.
Awuyazi kaloku loo nto leyo wena wazi uba unento soloku iphuma apha esinqeni. Awusithi irusile nale pyu ubuqomeni ndingazibethisa ngayo.
No, it was like bright orange. It wasn't anything.
Okay.
But my thing was like, Alizwood the whole time.
So kude
Sideways. Anyway, let's move on. Thanks so much for coming to my TED Talk.
Give us usandiso.
Oh, Sandiswa Mjikwa uthi ingathi uYouTube angafaka i-voice note.
Sana lam.
Niyandonwabisa. YouTube, this is for you. Sayazi ba niyasiva. YouTube faka i-voice notes.
I wonder, are there any platforms that have voice notes?
No.
Not yet.
Mm-mm.
I wonder why. Man, I've heard a voice note.
Where?
I think on like Threads or something.
Oh, and Mazo Threads. I've never been on Threads.
Yeah. I wonder, but maybe there's a reason behind that because I can't think that no one has figured out.
Yeah, because even on WhatsApp, you can make a voice note as your status.
Yes, correct. Ubuthetha pha into esingazazi. Abanye bacimba ke i-radio ke lando.
It is like your personal radio station. It's like your personal radio station.
But surely there should be a difference between the platforms, man. You can't have a status ka Instagram and a status ka WhatsApp. Na WhatsApp nakufaka ezinye izinto man.
Ezinjani mhlawumbe?
Andiyazi noba
ba unofaka une voice note ku WhatsApp ungayifaka ethini?
My reflections of this morning. Why I'm grateful. You know, in the quotes. You understand that?
The reflections zakho.
Xelele ba wena uthikiwe ba emsebenzini kwathi. I-risk loo nto leyo because ngoku izamanyelwa iboss yakho ithathe ifake uChat GPT iguqule loo nto leyo ba wena uthi iyacherha. Son.
Didn't ucherha in English.
Yo.
Annoying.
Irritating. Yeah.
All right, you go.
Osimi herself, Uti, we're back. Thank God for your safe return. By the way, it's my first comment. Wash up. Told myself, new year, new habits, and definitely new me. Absolutely. I'll be writing in them comments. Congratulations, Sistali. We'll definitely be watching Skim Sam. The Jabu character finished me, son. I wicwabile tamzupela. Love you, booty. No sisi we country.
Akukhalwa ngawe.
Yabani kuthiwa Jabu wazinto zam.
Awucwabile uJabu boy. No, awumcwabile for real. Yeah, you
so zinkhasta yo.
Lufuna kwenze kissing scene.
Baby girl, your time is up. Your time is now. You need to come on the show so I can audition for Utalita. And when I'm chatting, when you audition, yeah. So
For no more.
So man. It get that baby look for the first time pam go mama. So bad.
Pam go mama kaban.
Go mama wam.
What's a baby?
Yeah. Hello baby.
Why is that weird?
I mean, Talita, we grew up for not even talking about baby.
Yeah, but now you're engaged, bro.
It's such a weird thing.
But it is a weird thing because you jump from nothing to
overnight.
Now you can do anything.
Yes. To overnight.
Bamba izandla phambi kwabazali.
Overnight.
Saphulula.
Life is weird, bro. Life is just very, very weird.
It is weird because there's no transition period. You're just from one day you're a child, the next day you're an adult.
And you don't even sit and discuss these things, but how do you feel if I
No, you're just now like
hey, April.
Ne spirit so oh wow.
Spirit home kyolo. That's what it is.
Uthi simply Zaya. Jabu is my new
Hey, lento kaJabu yafuna ukijonge close man.
Bandini siyibone phaa kula intro uba singayifaka kanjani.
Imagine kodwa noma ndicastwa for la role okokoko. Andikhenifumana irole ye-lawyer. Someone responsible, financially responsible, somebody.
And that happens to a lot of people.
It happens to a lot of people.
Yeah, 100%. So where you get cast for one thing the whole time.
Yeah. Imagine. And I thought I would get cast for being a serious somebody somewhere.
Well, you should have acted as a serious somebody somewhere.
Oh, that's not what the script said.
Okay.
Utulzi 4445 uti qala apha eyadini. The scream I screamed. Tulzi? Sakudibanisa nokucebisa.
Revert back to... What did I tell Lisa? You the one who said it. Revert back to the first comment.
Here's a year of being intentional with ourselves so we can do the same with others. Can't wait to see how magnificent my year is going to be as a take on this Mursa task. Aish.
Mursham is big, if you don't know.
Yeah, Ngulu. So yeah. Qala phe yadini, and this is where a lot of things begin, bro. Lando kuthiwa charity begins at home. The reason why our country is in the state that it's in is because the nuclear family and the home is broken. Therefore, everything else will be broken. So to fix the macro environment, you focus on the micro environment.
Hallelujah.
I absolutely agree, mate. As difficult as it is.
Yeah. Here's to the year of being intentional.
No, absolutely.
Okay, whose turn is it? My turn?
Yep.
Okay, Mantele Kitsani says, Jabu, you're good. Sister, I'm no longer interested in TV, but because of you, I'm going to watch Skim.
Ah, my guy. Uyabona ke? Mafethu. Imagine ke ngoku show.
Ndizonyusa i-rating
Uyayiva?
show. Kuzathi hayibo. Kutheni xa Wednesday kaqala ngayo sister?
Such a pity. Then inantsike ke guys, ni screenshot, ni post,
Ni post, ni tweet, ni yonke loo nto ba, hey, this character, so that nam noko ndihlale 14 years. You know Pretty's been there for 14 years. Upa kuSkim Sam.
Is that a character name?
Yes.
Okay.
She used to be a high school girl. He used to stuck up T-pose. One of the guys.
Phangela ngone-family.
Uyaphangela ngoku uyatshata like 14 years.
Yeah, no, that's, yeah. But you know, it just goes to show, but I mean, would you do that?
Before, I would definitely say no. But now, I'm like, yes. Give me 10 years.
That's so cool if you can like grow with the show.
Yes.
And solo kungumntana high school. Next
Now
thing,
you're
high school.
32.
Yeah, no, that's dope. Yeah, no, shout out Mantele for that. Yeah, no, we'll be glued to our screens. Your screens get tallied and watching you. Have you seen some previews of what you... So you shoot something and then the first time you said,
Dibona nani,
what if you don't like a particular...
There's nothing you could do about it anyway. You don't get down. Well, now you were supposed to go there and give your best.
I like that. I like that. Bring your best self.
Yes, be prepared.
100%. Ukoketso mentor uti, congratulations Talita. Ingati you guys will have to do skits now.
But for Besizaza skits, our intros were skits.
Fair.
For the show in the first place.
And we had characters.
Yes.
What skit should we do next, guys?
Oh, don't worry, it's coming up.
Oh no. Sobering and necessary topic, especially for the beginner. Sobering and necessary topic, especially for the beginning of the year. My takeaway from conversations around sin is always that it's incredibly expensive for the soul. You genuinely die from the inside out. And even though the people around you may not be aware, it'll start to show in how much or how little you prioritize yourself and the things that are important to you. Those who pray with and for you will definitely notice. And at that stage, you have the chance to ask for intercession, not necessarily dwell on confessing them.
Confessing to them.
Confessing to them. Okay. Hlobo loba intercessory prayer yintoni prayer yokuthethelela umuntu. Okay, cool. To intercede. Okay, cool.
Ubhizi wena uyandithethelela mna ndiyamosha
100%. And I think,
andithetheleleki.
yeah, and I think I also read a comment. It's just that now I don't know if that comment is here. I need to do some paperwork about these zones linganayo.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. So there was a person who was saying, but yeah, kukho le ndaba yezono uba izono ziyalingana. And I think for
no,
me,
it is,
linked.
yeah. No, but we can still.
And I think for me, I took that as and this thing reminds me of that comment to say incredibly expensive for the soul. And I think nyane ezinye izinto, no matter what it is that you do, it does make a mark.
Yes, it has a price.
Because also inantsika zethu, iweight zethu azifani. Mna ndingathi mna hayi mandibile mna bro, and ke ukuba it's fine. Wena ubusithi wena hayi yona ndi wrong kuba oka bhetere. You understand? Uthethe zanto zikaThalita so white lies.
Excuse me.
Don't.
What did I say?
What did I white lies last year? Ba khona kaloku into white lies. So a lie that you are not a white lie.
That's not hurtful.
Yeah, you understand? But it's still a lie. That's what we're trying to get at.
Wow.
And also not hurtful to whom?
Remind me not to like ndingakubhizi as a witness commission because uzondixela.
Oh, don't talk commission. Amen. Hi, hallelujah. I want to be as a character witness.
If I can't call you, who am I going to call?
Character weakness.
If I can't call you, who am I calling?
But it means it looks a character yakho because I'm ndikwazi uthini uthetha le nto ndiyaziyo eyinyani.
Wow, son, what's the point of having a brother?
Wandiphikela.
Yuu!
Serious?
Ndibebomvu.
Really?
When ndime ngeenyawo.
Asoze.
Ubani? Not umzupele.
Hayi thetha
noba nimazi.
Hayi in fact ndiyahamba mna kwalapha. Upapa ndifuna uphuma mna. Yela ningobani nakhona. Ndifuna nizazise one by one.
I'll be that guy for sure. Mna ndinguThalita waseBhayi ningobani. Izinto ezininzi apha. Alright, uthunwabisa vatyana. Hayibo fish no oros.
What's that? Who said you? What? Because I tell the Lord
Clearly. Welcome back.
Utalita ke ngufish and then go at some point like wangu no oros.
There's no way.
Hey, can't go oros.
Welcome back. Yes, I know we don't use those names, but I had to watch your old videos to get me through work. So we said it.
Oh yes. Yo, kweza episodes zokuqala.
Yeah,
Kumsasingenanto zothetha. Othetha uthaliyo fish no oros. Imagine. Wangu fish because of you swam.
No, I hadn't even started swimming yet.
And
then the fish fingers.
Oh, fingers.
That's why I was also fingers.
Oh. I was a little bit rounder than I am right now, so I got something oros. Yeah, I got a bandu. I mean, never oros ngana. But yeah, anyways.
But it was cute. Because you had those rolls. Those oros rolls. No.
Michelin man.
Thank you, Nwabisa, for that.
Yeah, Clementine Dlamini Uti. Play a patient. Play a patient and a doctor. Talita is the doctor.
Why can't I be the patient? Because my house is sokolisa. So my patient is sokolisa. I got full treatment. TB jabu.
Ansakhohleli nje
I'd never make it as a nurse. As a nurse. Ndeka ngisakhohleli.
But ansakhohleli nje.
Wenda yazi lo nto usakhohleli ne kodwa ke ukhohlela is symptom but usenayo.
Symptom. Ndongo symptom.
Sismela mva. I don't know what.
Oh, I need medical aid yami ngiqomba ibhatalele loba mawuhleke. Yo gqirha. But ngoku kuzibe ngugqirha waqale walinesi. Okanye umuntu avela bengugqirha.
Ewe, ndafunda. 7 years.
Okay.
Then ndapractice 3 years.
Oh, ufunde ntoni?
Ndifunde ubugqirha.
Oh, ubugqirha.
Ndifunde ukuba ngugqirha.
Uba ngugqirha.
Medicine.
Oh, okay. Ngoku sayithini ke ngoku ngale ndaba uba alivaleki ikhwapha lam ngoku.
Alivaleki?
Ewe, ndinento ikhulayo apha ebuhlungu.
Hayi ke sizoyijonga sibone uba yintoni likhulayo basakwazi uyisika siyisike.
7 years kaloku utsho ngantoni? Maybe uyayazi kaloku ndiyakuchazela kaloku.
Kaloku funeka ndiyibone.
Ya ke.
I can't. Take my license away from me. Because it's the khutshana nama-patient.
Lithumba.
So uze apha wena uzongixelela uba unethumba ndithini ke ngoku mna ufuna ndithini mhlawumbi?
Ndifuna uyilungisa kaloku andithi ndibhatele 650 consultation apha. Iphi ifayile yam khona because ndandinefayile apha. Now xa ndifika apha uJoyce apha front undixelela uba ifayile yam kwathi kwatsha kwacima.
Kaloku after every 10 years ifayile siyazisa ku-storage.
Kwi-storage?
Ewe, because asinokwazi ziba zihlale apha okokokoko because asuba na-space.
Hayi kaloku sanuthatha ii-clients zonke nani.
Sithini ke?
Sanunyoluka abanye abantu mabaya kwezinye indawo kaloku mna ndiyi-client ndiyipatient lapha.
Once every 10 years.
Yeah, okay.
Kho abantu abagula amanyani not le nto yakho.
Khandipilisi wethu ndiphume apha. Afuna undisika into elandelayo.
That's why she said you must be the patient. Because unale bhaya omtese. No longer.
Ne? Yeah, no, it's one of the more difficult
no,
jobs.
100%.
Anything to do that is largely human facing
It's hard.
yakhala. Musivenati Bangani Uti, I didn't expect this episode to hit the way it did. The idea that sin can reflect self-abandonment rather than just rebellion made me pause and reflect deeply. Thank you for creating a space for conversations like this. Sure, thank you guys for accepting it the way that you guys have.
For sure. And I think you rounded it up so well in that sentence.
Yes. Uti, the idea that sin can reflect self-abandonment rather than just rebellion. Absolutely, because yourself.
The rules.
Because the rules are there to protect you.
100%.
Not only from other people, but also largely from yourself.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you are put very well. Yeah, man. And I think this space has kind of formed itself, man, in terms of the way that you guys are responding. Because remember that you guys are so open to what we have to say and us sharing our thoughts. And you guys also add on top of that, which makes it easier.
Because you don't feel like uzojajwa.
Exactly. Last week.
About getting carried away and the like because of the acceptance I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sivanati, thank you for accepting it the way you did.
Shout out.
Utu abongile, I am not even far. Digwe monologue. Dibulawa ngutomzibiri. Mistini monologue.
Monologue. Bentenzi monologue.
Oh, yes. Yenzani eyenu once. Dicela uqeshe big bro Sisi, please. Little bro, by the way, I'm the big person.
Big bro work.
I'm the bigger
also,
person.
Also, I'm your big brother. Like,
you
has a long author. You know?
Nam andingomntana. Nam ndingumfazi.
Kaba.
Uyindoda kabani? I hate everything.
And you walked yourself straight into it.
Ndavula umnyango. I'm laughing out loud. Eteksini from Stellies andiva nendlela. Abantu babethu xa nihleke eziteksini noba bathini.
Imamandi ke lana uqome ungasakabukelise lo muntu useteksini because uyakikiteka. Oh man.
I missed you, siblings. Hello and welcome back. We have been here bouncing back and forth.
Okay.
Guys, why are you guys acting like we didn't forewarn you?
We did. Forewarned is forearmed. Yeah, understand? But I guess it feels like a long time.
Yeah.
It feels like a long time. I mean, it was like almost a month, bro.
Yeah.
That we were gone. And given how we've been just like dropping consistently.
For sure, that month was long.
Yes, you create space for it and it kind of becomes a habit. So yeah, I guess it's also linked to that.
Into endiyibonileyo is that abantu basimamele emisebenzini, and I don't know how I feel about that.
Ndayi-adressa ke mna.
Yoli. Oh, thank goodness you guys are back, because bengenanto kwenza emsebenzini. No, she didn't.
Uthi omnye.
Abaninzi bonina abantu abanolo gama.
Okay, sure. Oh yes. Yoli lo unamathanda ne.
Ewe lo unenqayi because unamathanda.
Yes, okay.
Mfitshane usisitufuza.
There we go. Malizole mtshele uthi Sanithandi yo wes oko ndi refresher ndilinde episode. Good to have you back. Good to be back.
It is good to be back.
Yeah, no, it's absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
What's up?
Nothing. Thanks for that. Uti ulati Sony. I'm speaking for all of us. Hi, bo, we missed you, Banda. Say, oh, this is Kengelele episode young. It's Kengelele. We decided by Ligama Lasekayen.
I don't think Ligama Lasekayen.
But nobody else was like, yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Nangulati. Or maybe she's using it from the episode.
That's what I'm saying.
Face.
Yeah.
Highly possible.
Because I've also never heard anyone else use that word except people in my family.
Yeah.
Well done, Lati. Welcome to the family.
Fantastic. Ayafika uthi oko ndikhuza kule episode azange ndasibona kanje isono. This one needs a journal. Ike ndiyihlalutye. Luckily, akho mntu uzoyifuna.
Yeah, boo.
Also, lichintshile ixesha or ibingu happy new year bling before we get back to regular programming. Hayi wena ayafika. Yazi ngenye ixesha as a person sibenazo mistakes. There's a mistake, but I can only get better from here. That's the goodness of uqala ezantsi. But ke ndiyavuya ke ba mhlambi isiphoso sam sikwazile ba abanye abantu ba benefit.
Usaqala ezantsi after 3 years.
Ayindenzele insight mina foni lento yo post abafethu. Wa hayi yey. Just that go also the thing is the team behind this is so efficient. Ushoot the episode today ngomso uyayifumana.
So awunat like
so nami ndihlala ngoma I can't wait. Dibhayize kwezo zibini. I promise to do better, even though that's not what you guys want.
No, because every time you make a mistake, they're like, yes! Because my gain now.
Imithandazo yaphikisana mfondini. Bese idla ngoba itime edla ngotsho ba yo, you know when I was young, itime ike yathi kum. You know when I was young ndanqoma ndiyabawela uba nguThixo. Cha, uthi the more ndikhula moment no man. Because kuthi ungena lo umthandazo ba lo ufuna makunethi lo uthi yena ne event ngaske kunganethi. Then what do you do, mate?
Wenzela lo event unethise ngomso. But kukho omnye ne event. Event doesn't fail.
Hey, right now bengithalise yabo. Right ukufa.
Someone must lose though.
But this is the thing. So ilena njoyo ke ngokuba at the end of the day zonke izinto ziku-control yabani. So khethwa abani.
Awunovuma wena uba nguThixo.
Not a chance.
Not even for a day.
Yay. Wakwambuyela Bruce Almighty me bro. Oh yeah.
Oh, bebe tucha babantu.
Which is what we do essentially.
I
wouldn't, eh? Over the whole world.
Ufuna uba nguThixo waphi?
Ngabona endaweni esixeko. Nakhona not even a household. I'm not even a household, bro. 4 people. Nah, man.
Yeah, but they're not having pikisaning prayers though.
Hayi foni leqondo mina abayende galibala nobavusa. Wo! Yo, kuthiwe ngo12 dithi uthalita. Yela xesha umuntu uphangele. Yaba.
Okay, busiya kwenza i-audition.
Uda, ngoko thusa abantu emoshwari. Uyanqonqoza. Oh. Not for me. Not a chance, bro.
Nawuzilibala lokho, you're God. You're not going to forget. You're not a human being.
But I sorry. Maybe this is the thing. Maybe it's a thought that's too big for my mind.
No, for sure. Absolutely 100%. But I don't know. I've never thought of it as in mitano zipikisanayo like that. Also. But also, as we know, as abantu abathandazayo, you know, but just because the thanazile doesn't mean it's going to happen.
Sure.
Also.
Yeah.
Right? So there's that, right?
Yeah.
Where mhlambe kungene lo mithandazo iphikisanayo and then God is like, okay, you wait. I'll give to you.
You see,
you it's a no.
Walo choice leyo ndangam. Utalite and go, utalite uninegerezo mnanam. Khaime ngoma akafiki ixesha lakhe. Uzawulila be wrong. My heart can't. Oh my God.
Ngeke, thank you.
Yo, ndiphinde favorites ngapha.
That can't be a real thing. When your favorites, your favorites ngobani ngaba bathandaza are the most.
Not in my hands, but yeah.
So I
mamelayo the obedient pants. It's not for me that role.
Yeah, because you're human.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no. And I guess I can't think about it from a mind that's not human.
Sure, got you.
And you?
Yeah, I'd give it a bash.
Yeah, God.
As I said, I'll try anything once.
Yes, I knew it.
I'll try anything. What? Because I'm obviously not going to be doing it with my brain. So I feel like the brain I'll have will be sufficient for the task at hand.
So it will be an easy task because you'll be equipped. Because
yes.
It won't be you.
I won't be me.
Would you as you?
Yes.
Why?
Because
Control freak. You can't roll freak.
No. No, because I think I'd be good at it. Abana bemangaka. 100 million. Sibanga 7 billion.
Abanye bayalala, abanye behleli.
Awulala.
Abanye bayaphangela, abanye bayagoduka.
But also not everybody uyathandaza.
Fair, but ngabakho bonke.
But
you still got over them. Whether or not they acknowledge you, they are still your kids.
Do you think that uThixo uyayazi if somebody?
Yes, akhona ngayazi.
Okay, fine. So that's easy. I'll start there. The prayers that are truthful and honest, ngapha. Baba thanaza just because uthe umamako thanazile lamhlanje.
Yeah, but maybe that prayer is gonna make them. And you granting that prayer is gonna make them say, "But
I know that, so I can make that decision."
Do you though?
You just said I know everything.
There's also it's a very tricky subject that because then there's also power of choice, and you can change your choice anytime.
For sure, and I'll know when you've changed your choice.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm glad God is God, not Talita. I'm just saying.
I'll be a great judge and jury. Tutabile zotwa. Sana. We just arrived. I feel dragged. Nithi nile yezono ezilinganayo emehlweni kaGod.
Yo, bro. Ilento njoyo mna because and I think too exactly what we were saying, but because ebona yonke into, the impact uyayibona. Even though thina impact kum is small or insignificant. Yena uyayibona. And I guess that's why zilinga.
Izono, yes.
Right? We don't see the impact, but at the end of the day, there's an impact, bro. So
Kutsho bani baziyalingana?
Asikho esikhulu kunesinye.
Kutsho bani?
Singayichekisha ke siyafuna nenzini.
Kutsho umuntu eBhayibhelini?
Yeah,
what if they got it wrong?
Wow, I believe so. What? What?
Just asking.
What do you mean? If they get it wrong, then it wouldn't be there. Yeah.
What if things have changed over time?
No, they haven't because God hasn't changed.
Oh.
What?
We've changed.
Correct.
As human beings.
Yes, but ayichinjanga yona kaloku structure.
Okay.
I got this invite umfundisi show. Because omnye Ngathi.
Utheni?
Hmm?
Utheni?
Une-questions endingakwazi uziphendula.
Oh, hayi sana, that's the story of my life.
Yeah.
Questions engakwazi uphendula.
Okay. We'll see. Intoni? Hey, yeah, son.
My thing is, you understand. Why are you stressed?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
You understanding. Okay, so as a pastor that went to theology school, not Ababa Vusindende.
Intoni ke ngoku i-macaroni okanye spaghetti okanye yeah, sorry. Yeah, if we've got any pastors out there that do watch, please, this one is for you.
As a pastor who went to theology school, right? You go there and you get taught, the Bible, how to interpret it, the meaning of it, the certain things, and all of that. But ultimately, from your congregation, obviously they could have never taught you how to interpret everything. And the interpretations aren't all the same as well. Because I could read the same passage and you could read the same passage and you could have a different interpretation of it. And they could both be positive.
Okay.
So as a pastor or manebuzwa questions, you're expected to have these answers. But is that the right thing to do for the pastor, to expect them to have the answers?
Look,
because that person is a human being. Yes, they went to school, but ultimately this is a book for all of us and for all of us to interpret in the way that it rings in our hearts. It rings true in our hearts.
Mandiyithathe ndiyiphosa apha kuni class.
I thought you were going to say something.
No, look, I mean, I also think that at a very kind of human level, I will take that and put it to also izinto ezifana things that are psychology. Ndofunda psychologist, ugqirha, indondondondondondon.
Sure.
You know what I mean? That there's things that they were taught and certain principles that remain true throughout anyways. So we are not relying also on the pastor's interpretation. We are relying on what the general interpretation is.
Sure. I think a lot of people do rely on the person on the pulpit's interpretation though.
100%.
Yeah.
But of which I believe that should also be a 50% reliance.
Because ngumntu naye.
Yeah. And also I think the best way, especially when it comes to things of a religious nature, uhamba uyozifunela nawe.
100%.
Uhamba uyozifunela nawe. To go and try and find the answers. We always look for the easy way of saying, so that we can come back one day. No. Also, go and find out for yourself. When you are coming and asking that question, it can't be just a question that's coming from the fact that you're saying, into thile ayenza sense kum. Okay, cool. Izanayo, what have you gone to go and look up and look at that has helped you form this thing, this understanding that you have, and asking the question? A lot of the time it comes from a place of trying to trap somebody, which I don't think really works.
No.
It shouldn't doesn't work for you.
No.
It shouldn't be about that at all. So I think there's a very, very big responsibility on us. Also to really, really go dig deep into it, as a matter of trying to find ukuthi nyani, what is it that I don't understand? What is it that I'm lacking? I think so.
Well done. No go pendu.
But good. 100%.
No, for sure. One of our little cousins was at the house the other day when mom was there, and he was like, Mama was back, unga baptizwanga. And then he was like, there's just certain things that I don't quite understand and people can't answer them. And I was like, yo man, these are also people having their own experiences and their own lives. And you're also a person having your own experience and own lives. So you can't expect all the answers to come from who doesn't have your experience of life. Some of these things you have to make up for yourself and be okay with it.
Yeah, 100%. Some of these things you have to make up for yourself. And then some of these things also, when you do push back on them, you also need to find out why it is that you're pushing back on it. You understand? Because there's certain things that we accept. Why is it doesn't use because we accept? Because we seven microwave every day. You understand? And just because, you understand? And then the day you now ingasebenzi, then you don't even want to find out why ingasebenzi. Uyayisa pa yolungiso, and that's not how life works spiritually.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a you decision.
Yeah.
And a you decision needs to be based on a you research.
Sure. Got you. Thank you guys so much for joining us today for a lovely episode. The first episode of Bling Line this year. First of many.
Second episode, but okay.
Of Bling Line?
Yeah. We shot one last week.
And by first, I mean second.
Yes. not that left, your other left.
Yeah, not
Very
that left.
good. I like that.
Guys, we'll check you guys again next week. Keep the comments coming in strong and hard. And one day, you will be famous. Sifunde comment yakho.
Washa keke.
Ozan, don't forget, in order for you to love each other, you have to love yourself. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling Line.